Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to create infographics for your formal presentations. Are you planning to have a presentation with infographics for your office or your school? Well, stay tuned because this one's for you. All right, so we are now in Canva. You could, hey, PowerPoint, sure, but Canva's going to be your friend. So sign up and then sign in, log in. I would suggest you use your laptop or PC or Mac than your phone because it's gonna be 100 times easier. So, but before we do this, I would like to discuss something called Canva Pro. And no, we are not sponsored, but Canva Pro is arguably one of the best and cheapest subscriptions you're gonna have for social media stuff like videos, copy, static, photos, whatnot for any social media site, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or X, whatever that means. So yeah, Canva Pro, you can try it for free for 30 days, pretty much a month, right? And if you want to know more, here on the home screen, click on plans and pricing on the top menu, pop all up here, and click on Pro. It's gonna take you to Canva Pro site page. I mean, and if you scroll down, it's gonna show you how much you're gonna pay for a year. 2490 for a year. That's Philippine money. This is approximately around $60 US. And if you go monthly, that's 299. That's pretty much around $6. And both of which you're gonna get unlimited access to premium templates and 100 plus million premium stock photos, videos, audio, graphics, and much more. Over 100 brand kits, AI tools that are very efficient, in my opinion. You have storage of 1 terabyte on cloud in the cloud and 24/7 customer service. So, uh, yeah, so there's a lot of things you can do, right? And you do it in one place, in one website. Unlike, for example, you need to use Photoshop to make a visual, and then have a bunch of those and export them, open Premiere Pro, and then edit the whole video there, and then upload it, export it, and then here you just need to use Canva, and that's pretty much it, right? And yeah, that's Canva Pro. And now we go back to infographics. So uh, if you type infographics here, as you can see, you can go with infographic or data infographic. So click on infographic. Let's check it out. Let's see what it's about. It says design compelling infographics your fans will love to share with our selection of premium infographic templates. Take your visual marketing to the next level with sophisticated infographic designs today. Um, it's pretty much posturing like, oh, this is for social media. Sure, you can use it, but at the same time, you can use this for your presentations, whether you're in a company or you're in school, right? For your reports in front of your peers, in front of your classmates. So you can create a blank one, just open a new tab with it, and yeah, and then you just upload. Click on upload here, and you're gonna be able to import all the files, all the stuff you need to create your infographic, right? Or just use one that's for free. Oh, by the way, the templates that have a crown on the lower right corner, like this one, this is Canva Pro. And if you hover it, it's going to show Pro. It says upgrade to Canva Pro to access this template, right? And let's click on this because again, I've said this many times in other videos. A lot of Canva Pro templates are some of the best. And you just look at this. This is so good. It looks so good, right? You don't need to, for example, this one, you don't need to click customize template to open a new tab where we can edit this. You don't need to really change anything. All you need to do is change the copy. 4 ways to postpone your procrastination. You can just say 4 ways how you can work harder. For example, for school, right? Right, and then you can just change this, change these, right? Change these, or maybe you could want to change the color of these backgrounds, and that's it. You don't need to, because this is already really good. Because again, you're not going to sell this. This is for a presentation, whether for school or for business proposal or a company meeting. You don't need to. You just need to change the copy, right? And but if you want to, hey, maybe you want to use company colors. Maybe company colors include like blue. Let's use blue, right? Let's use blue. Maybe let's use baby blue. To yeah, blue again, right? And you're done. You're fine, right? So this you can't really change because this is an asset. But you by changing the colors, maybe you want to change the font, right? Maybe you don't want Bernier. Maybe you want others, right? You can change it. You don't need to fully change anything here because this is already good, right? And you project that on the projector, that would look really good. And you could just, go to town with presenting step one, step two, step three, step four, and then you're closing, and then you're done with this part of your presentation, right? That's pretty much how you do it. It's very easy. Again, you don't need to change anything. Your sales process, this is pretty cool. This is the first step, second, third, fourth, final step, right? You don't really, maybe you change colors. Maybe you want to change the colors. Maybe you want to change the fonts. That's perfectly fine. But the other assets, you don't really need to change because a lot of these things are good. So unless you want to sell these, which I don't know, I don't think there's market for this. Uh, it's gonna be, yeah, it's not a good idea. But again, see this one, discovering the world. Like you just change fonts, change the colors. You don't need to change the other assets. You just need to, change a copy to fit your report, your presentation. And that's how you do infographics in Canva. And it's pretty easy, right? Oh, I forgot. For example, let's choose this one randomly, right? For example, you're done. For example, this is done because I already showed you how to change stuff, right? For example, you're done. You want to save it. Click on say share here on the upper right corner. Click on download here on the bottom, and wait for it to, because it's gonna start with no color. But once you see it's purple, you can click on this. It's gonna be saved on your computer. And you're gonna be fine. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.